Hi everyone. So you know when you see this box, you know what time it is. Yes, we have another mail call and I always want to share this with you. So let's go ahead and let's get started. Okay, so as you know earlier, we have ordered from Proven Winners, and I am so pleased with them and pleased with the way they ship it. Now, I'll link a previous video where I wasn't too happy with this company, but I'm hoping that the plants will bounce back. But this order that I have in here, I actually was going to buy from another company, but I noticed the size of the container it said it came in. So I figure why not pay a few more dollars and buy it from the source. So I'm going to open it up and I'll show you what we have inside.
Perfect.
Okay, now let me show you. They have it right as far as shipping. Like, they make it where it doesn't move, and then the plants always look healthy. So I ordered two, and let me tell you why I ordered two, because they said these were the last two. So that's why I hurried up and I ordered it versus the other company. But I am glad that I did, because like I said, they know how to ship it, and they know how to ship it to where it's little or minimum movement. So the anticipation. Okay, look what we have. More roses. And these are the, come on, I'm doing this with one hand, by the way, y'all. Oh my gosh, come on. Hold on. Okay, so these are the At Last roses, and they're they say they're fragrant. But anyway, they said these were the last two, and so I bought them, and I am always pleased with Proven Winners and the way they ship. So we have two of those, and I have an idea, and actually this is already starting to have a rosebud. I have an idea of where I want to put it, but I'm gonna have to ease this one like in the landscape, because I've showed you some other videos of things that we planted. I really have to come to a halt on everything and just either get everything potted or everything planted, because it's starting to back, like all my garden chores are starting to back up on me. So anyway, guys, I just wanted to share this with you. Like I said, we got two of them because they said these were the last two. I would have liked three for where I am thinking about putting them, but since these were the last two and I'm going outside of the box on my color, this looks more like a peach color to me, so I'm going outside the box and adding different colors, because you know that purple, pink, and white are like my favorite flower colors, and they always include beautiful literature and pictures to make you want to order even more to create a beautiful garden. So we'll go ahead and get these unwrapped and start our garden chores. It's cloudy out here. We've been having a lot of afternoon thunderstorms, but as always, thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you share this video with your family and your friends, and also give this video a thumbs up if you like it. And if you're not a subscriber, we would absolutely love to have you as a subscriber, so make sure you tap the bell so that you can receive notification each and every time we upload a new video. Again, thank you so much for watching, and until the next video, bye bye.